Hi guys! Good morning. Today is Saturday, June 1st. Yan. So, our video for today, gagawa kami ng tasting Filipino food snack. Yan. Bali, yung gagawa niyan, yung hubby ko. So, itatry niya each one kung ano yung the best snack sa Filipino. Yan. I mean, sa Philippines. So, first, kumuha ako ng bikat. Yan, cheese flavor yan. And then, my cheese curls. And then, my Oishi prawn crackers. And that one, that's one of his favorite already. But I grabbed 3 bags because that one, I want him to taste it again. And then there's a pandan cake. He never had it before. And also the mocha cake. And bali isang bag lang kinuha ko each dyan. And then may another prawn crackers pero spicy flavor. Yan. And then there's one Piatos cheese flavor. And then there's a boy bawang karnik and a roller coaster. As I remember, he loved Piatos, but not this kind of type. He likes I think the sour, the green color of the Piatos. That's one of his favorite, but you can't find it at the Asian market. So all these 10 items, these are the snacks from the Philippines that he is going to try, guys. So tingnan na lang natin kung alin dito yung the best sa kanya. Yan. Kasi yung iba naman siya, hindi niya pa natatry. So, ipapatry ko sa kanya. Yan, guys. Okay, guys. We're here to try our
Filipino snacks.
Yes. Okay? Okay, which one do you want to taste first? Okay, you taste that one. Is a roller coaster. Okay, guys, let's see if he likes it. You don't need
How many do I have to eat?
You don't need to open the whole thing, huh? You show it first to the camera. What is that?
It's potato rings, huh?
Yeah. Okay, hold it. Okay.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you like it?
It's like a Ruffles potato chip.
Ruffles.
Mm-hmm. What it tastes like.
Okay.
Now what? Or do you want me to
put it there first? Okay. The second snack is Piatos.
I've had these before, so.
Yeah.
So when do I get my Cloud 9? These are good.
Okay, out of 10, how do you rate that?
This? 8.
8. Okay, how about the first one? How do you rate the roller coaster out of 10?
Probably a 6. 6 or 7.
Okay.
I'm not crazy about Ruffles, so.
And then, okay, how about the Oishi brown crackers? You tell me how, out of 10, how do you rate the
Prawn cracker? I'm eating shrimp. Don't know what it tastes like.
It's a shrimp.
It's kind of crunchy, like the Cheetos. Doesn't taste anything like a Cheeto.
Okay. Okay, how do you rate that?
Probably 6 or 7.
6 or 7.
Kind of like that one. About the same.
Okay, and next is Boy Bawan. It's a garlic corn.
Once we got in the Philippines, weren't this flavor though, were they?
Oh yeah, you like that. You liked that once. You tried that before. Oh yeah, I remember you tried that before.
I think your mom had these.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you tried that once.
I'd rather have a Cloud9.
Yeah. I'm sorry, we didn't have Cloud9 sign. Okay, and our next nut.
No, that's like maybe a 7.
Dika.
7 or 8.
Okay, 7, the cornic. You rate
Yeah.
7? Oh.
Potato chips deep cut. What are you gonna do with all these open bags?
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna collect it.
Oh, it looks like a potato chip.
Yeah. Is it good?
I don't know. I can't even taste anything.
Is it salty?
I can't taste it.
Oh, is it?
I don't know what it even tastes like. I don't even taste anything.
So you didn't like it?
That is weird. Is it because I had that garlic thing or something?
Oh, really? So,
I
okay,
don't know.
so how do you rate that?
How do you rate something you can't taste?
That's crazy.
I think our water has more taste than that does.
Oh, is it?
I can't taste it. It must be because I had that garlic. That is weird.
Okay, so you don't know how to rate that one.
No, because I can't really taste anything.
Oh, okay. So it's 0.
Whatever you want to call it. I don't know what you'd call it.
It's kind of bland to your taste.
Like I said, I can't taste it. So how can it? I mean, yeah, it's bland. I mean, I can't taste it.
Okay. All right. So
It's
next.
supposed to be cheese flavor, but I don't taste cheese. I don't taste anything.
Okay. All right then.
That's really must be because I have that
Garlic.
garlic.
Okay. And then the next one is, I don't know if you want to try the prawns shrimp again, but it's spicy.
It's up to you.
Try it.
Okay. So it's going to be like a Cheeto again, huh?
Cheetos.
But not taste like a Cheeto.
That's the Filipino snack, guys.
These are smaller.
Yeah. That's a little bit spicy.
A little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so how do you rate that?
I think it's 7, 6 or 7.
7. Okay, the next one is Cheese Girls.
Now that looks like a Cheeto.
Cheetos.
Yep. It's going to look like little tiny Cheetos.
Oh, yeah. But that one is kind of fluffy, I guess.
Has the same texture of a Cheeto.
Oh, is it? Taste Cheetos.
Has a little bit of a cheese flavor.
So how do you rate that one?
8 or 9. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's just like a Cheeto.
Okay. Okay, and the next one, we know that this is your favorite. I think this is 10.
No, my favorite's Cloud9. That's a 10. These are probably the same. I like these too. But I like those too. Best one so far.
Yeah.
But it's not strong taste. But at least you can taste the cheese.
Did you hear that, guys? It's crackling. Vinegar. That's good.
Yeah, I'd say 8 or 9. I'm about 9.
9?
9.
Okay,
Unless you find anything that tastes
there's
like
2 more to go. So I'm gonna let you try this one first, the pandan cake, and it's time for a sweet. Okay, so this is a pandan cake, and then I'm gonna let you try. Okay.
Okay.
There you go, guys. I'm gonna give him one. So this one.
What flavor is it?
It's a pandan. Open it, hen.
Sponge cake, huh?
Yeah.
Tastes like pound cake.
It's a pandan cake, the flavor. What do you think?
It tastes like a pound cake. It's fine. I mean,
Did you like it?
yeah, I like pound cake. This tastes exactly like a pound cake.
Okay, so it didn't bother you the taste or the flavor? Okay, so how do you rate that one? Out of 10?
8 or 9? Probably 9.
9? Okay, and the
Maybe I
last...
like chocolate.
Okay.
So,
And the last one, guys, is this one, the mocha cake. This is the best probably for him. Okay, guys.
it's pretty good though. I like it.
I'm gonna get one of this one so he can try it, okay? There you go, hon. Can you do a shout out to my nephews and niece? Say hi, Lorraine, because she's watching in this one.
Oh, Lorraine?
Yes.
Hi, Lorraine.
With feelings.
Hi, Lorraine.
And Faith, say hi. Shout out to Faith
Hi,
and Lorraine.
And whoever else is watching.
Okay, so that's a mocha cake. So which one is the best? The pandan cake or the mocha cake? The first cake that you ate, the one that you ate.
They're both good. Call this a 9 too.
That's really like it. So which one is your favorite? The whole snacks that you tried?
Cloud 9?
There's no Cloud 9.
It's either this one or the pound cake and then the cracked one. That'd be kind of the order.
Okay, which one?
These curls are really good, and then it's a toss up between these and the cracked ones.
Okay.
Then it would be followed up by, where is it?
Okay.
Thank you for watching, and give it a thumbs up, and please follow my wife's blog, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.
One more, say bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh, one more. Shout out to my nephews and niece in the Philippines.
Hi, family in the Philippines. Brother-in-law, sister-in-laws, niece, nephews, and mama and papa.
Okay.
Bye.